Hi, in this video I'm going to share with you how to use if else if. So if you have a scoring mark table like this, right? So in between 90 to 100 is good, in between 80 to 89 is satisfied. So you can make use of if else if. So what I mean is this, right? If the mark is 78, right? And I click on this check, it will help me to identify, okay, 78 is right here, risky. If it's 96, right, and I click check, it will be good. It's right here. So how do you do that? So I have written down this, and now I'm going to show you again, right, sub using if else if. Okay, so I can use this. So if this value here, I'm going to check which is cell B8, B3. So the dot value, right, if it's greater or equal than 90, then what happens is that I'll say, well, give them the equation would be, it will show in cell C3 dot value with the value of good. Yeah, that's it, right? But however, right, we cannot just check on one cell only, one cell itself, because one range itself, because there's multiple then. So if it's not greater than, then what else, right? So that's what we have else. Okay, so if you just have else, right, then you only have two conditions to check, right? Either is greater or less than. But here is more than that. So we don't use else, we use else if. And then followed by the same thing, right? I just use a D to represent that, right? So now I just choose this. Else if it's greater than 80, right here, 80, then what you do is that we copy this, and the value is satisfactions, right? You can see that satisfactions right here, C3, right here, right? If it's the value is greater than 90, then it's automatically give you good, right? But if it's not greater than 90, then it will check else if it's greater than 80, it will satisfy. If it's not, then we will continue typing out, right? Else if, and again, right, we can check that if not this one, right, it would be again, right, every time you see this is because it's not complete yet, so we're going to try that. Another one, else if obviously it's not 90 nor 80, so 70. So right here, and we can just check. So if it's that happen, right, what happens is that if it's greater than 70 but it's not greater than this 80, right, then we should put that's risky. And we can do another one, right, but this is the last one. So since the last one, you don't need to use else anymore, you just type with else what? If it's not good, if it's not satisfied, not risky, then it will be danger. Yes, that's right, danger. So you type that at danger, right? Danger, and that's about it, right? So once I have done this using if else, right, I can just go ahead with this. I'll just right click here, assign macro. I use this workbook, and this function is called using else if, right? So using if else if, click OK, and let's see if it works. Let's just delete this. I click on this, it's good. And 75, check, it's risky, right? So it's under there, 4 under there, right? So if it's 80, check, satisfactions, right? So yes, that's it. And this is how you use the if else if. If else if, right? If you have more, you can. And the last one, just put the else, right? You can do the same, right, with using a case. It's right here. Using the select case, right, you can do the same, right? 0 to 69 is danger. I'll go through that in the next video. Thanks.